Good morning. In the earlier lecture, we talked about introduction and definition of complex numbers. The next article is algebra of complex numbers. This is a big article. We need 2 to 3 lectures to complete this article, because in this article we have to study addition of complex numbers, few properties of addition, subtraction of complex numbers, multiplication of complex numbers, few properties of multiplication of complex numbers, then division or quotient of complex numbers, and then comes the conjugate complex number. So there are 5 sub-articles in the article algebra of complex numbers, and therefore it may need 3 to 4 lectures to complete. Let us start with the addition of complex numbers. The first one, first sub-article is addition of complex numbers. Addition of two complex numbers is also a complex number. How to define addition of complex numbers? Addition of complex numbers. Addition of two complex numbers. Addition of three complex numbers. Addition of four complex numbers, and so on, is also a complex number. Let us define the addition of complex numbers in short, in brief. Addition of two complex numbers is a complex number such that real part of this complex number is addition of the real parts of the two complex numbers, and imaginary part of this complex number is addition of imaginary part of the two complex numbers. Let me repeat it. Addition of two complex numbers is a complex number. Real part of this complex number is addition of real parts of the two complex numbers. Imaginary part of the complex number is equal to addition of imaginary parts of the two given complex numbers. For example, let us consider Z1, first complex number, given as x1 plus iy1, equation number 1. Second complex number, Z2, is equal to x2 plus iy2, equation number 2. We are given two complex numbers. Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1. Z2 is equal to x2 plus iy. Addition of these two complex numbers is a complex number. That is, complex number Z is equal to complex number Z1 plus complex number Z2. That is, addition of these two complex numbers is a complex number. Let us put values of Z1 and Z2 here. x1 plus iy1 plus x2 plus iy. Real part, collect together x1 plus x2 in one bracket plus I is here, I is here, take this I common. What left in the bracket is y1 plus y. Addition of these two complex number is a complex number. Addition of these two complex numbers is a complex number. Let us substitute value of z1 from equation 1, value of z2 from equation 2 here. x1 plus iy1 for z1 plus for z2 x2 plus iy2. x1 is real, x2 is real, collect together, write in one bracket as x1 plus x2. Two terms are left, iy1, iy2. I is there in these two terms, take this I common, plus take I common from this term and this term. What left? y1 plus y2. So x1 plus x2 plus I into y1 plus y2. Z is also a complex number. It is sum of two complex numbers. Z is a complex number which is the sum of these two complex numbers. This complex number Z is such that its real part is sum of real parts of complex numbers Z1 and Z2. Imaginary part of this complex number is addition of imaginary parts of these two complex numbers. This is the sum or addition of two complex numbers. This is the sum or addition of two complex numbers. Let us solve one or two problems on addition of complex numbers. Then we shall go for difference or subtraction of complex numbers. Before that, let me write a few properties of addition of complex numbers. And the properties are, first one is, let me write here. First one. First property, addition of complex numbers is commutative. Commutation law is obeyed by addition of two complex numbers. That is, z1 plus z2 is equal to z2 plus z1. This is known as commutation law. So, law of commutation is obeyed by addition of complex numbers. Then, the second property of addition of complex numbers is second property of addition of complex numbers. Addition of complex numbers is associative. Z1 plus Z2 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Meaning that Z2 plus Z3 are first added, and in this addition Z1 is added. Then Z1 plus Z2 first added, and in this addition Z3 is added. This result will be same as this result. This result will be equal to this result. If this is true, then we can say that addition of complex numbers is associative. Association of complex numbers for addition is allowed, or law of association for addition is obeyed by addition of complex numbers. Second property of complex addition of complex numbers. Third property, it has additive identity. It means the complex number. Every complex number has additive identity. Every complex number. Instead of it, what is the meaning of it here? Every complex number. Every complex number has additive identity. What is meaning of additive identity? Addition of given complex number and the other number, if it is coming the same as the complex number, it means that the other number is known as additive identity of the complex number. For example, we have a complex number Z. Z plus 0 is equal to Z. Z plus 0 is equal to Z. And therefore, this 0, Z plus 0 is equal to Z. Therefore, this 0 is known as additive identity of complex number Z. Actually, every complex number has additive identity. Every complex number has additive identity. This is the third property. Fourth property is fourth property of addition of complex numbers is every complex number has additive inverse. Every complex number has additive inverse. For example, Z plus minus Z is equal to 0. It means that this minus Z is additive inverse of Z. as z plus minus z is equal to 0, it means that this minus z is additive inverse of this complex number z, and this property is true for every complex number. These are the important properties of addition of complex numbers. Let us try to solve few problems on addition of complex numbers. The first one, problem, add following complex numbers. Z1. First, Z1 is equal to 4 plus I6. Z2 is equal to 6 minus 2I. This is the real part. This is the imaginary part of complex number Z1. This is the real part. This is imaginary part of complex number Z. Addition of these two is solution. Z1 is equal to given. Z1 is equal to 4 plus 6I and Z2 is equal to 6 minus 2I. The formula of addition of complex numbers is Z is equal to Z1 plus Z2. This is equal to, put value of Z1, 4 plus 6I, plus, put value of Z2, 6 minus 2I, 6 minus 2. What is formula of addition? Z is equal to x1 plus x2 plus I into y1 plus y2. x1, x2, y1, y2. This is equal to, what is x1? 4 plus, what is x2? 6, bracket complete, plus I into, what is y1? 6 plus, what is y2? Minus 2. This is equal to 4 plus 6, 10. 6 minus 2, 6 plus minus 2, that is 6 minus 2, 4 plus 4I. Okay, so Z is equal to 10 plus 4I is addition of these two complex numbers. Z1 is equal to 4 plus 6I and Z2 is equal to 6 minus 2I. Let us go for the second problem. Z1 is equal to minus 6 minus 3I. Z2 is equal to 12 plus 9I. Solution. Given first complex number Z1 is equal to minus 6 minus 3I. Second complex number Z2 is equal to 12 plus 9I. And therefore, sum of these two complex numbers is Z is equal to Z1 plus Z2. Put value of Z1 minus 6 minus 3I plus put value of z2 12 plus 9i. What is the formula? x1 plus x2 plus I into y1 plus y2. What is x1? Minus 6. What is x2? 12. Put it here. Minus 6 plus 12 plus I into y1 is minus 3 plus y2 is 9, that is equal to minus 6 plus 12 plus 6 minus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 6i. 6 plus 6i is the addition of these two complex numbers z1 and z2. Okay, this is about addition of complex numbers. Hope you understood it. Let us quickly go for subtraction of complex numbers. Second algebra. Second algebra, subtraction of complex numbers. Subtraction of complex numbers is defined as a complex number whose real term is subtraction of the given two complex numbers and whose imaginary term is subtraction of imaginary terms of the two given complex numbers. For example, if z1 is the first complex number given by z1 is equal to x1 plus I by 1. z2 is the second complex number given by x2 plus I by 2, equation number 2. Subtraction of these two complex numbers is also a complex number. That is, complex number z is equal to complex number z1 minus complex number z2. Subtraction of these two complex numbers is also a complex number. Put value of z1 x1 plus I y1 minus put value of z2 minus x2 minus I y. This is real term, this is real term, bring them together in one bracket, x1 minus x2. I is here, take plus I common. What left here? Plus y1. What left here? Minus y2. So what we find here? Z is a complex number whose real part is x1 minus x2. Imaginary part is y1 minus y2. This complex number z is subtraction of these two complex numbers. Real part of this complex number is subtraction of these two real parts. Imaginary part of this complex number is subtraction of imaginary parts of these two complex numbers. Okay, this is about subtraction of complex numbers. So whenever we subtract two complex numbers, its subtraction will be a complex number such that real part of this complex number is subtraction of real parts of the given two complex numbers. and imaginary part of this complex number is the subtraction of imaginary parts of the two given complex numbers. We shall work out two problems on subtraction of complex numbers in the coming lecture. Hope you got it. Thank you.